If you enjoy cleaning, then stay with me in this video because I want to talk to you about mold and mildew. So this ZORBX is great to remove mildew and mold, especially from the bathroom, where in my case I see it the most, and also works on tile, wood, grout, and appliances. So all you have to do is spray it directly into the mold wherever you want to use it, for example a bathroom, and then wait 30 seconds and then you just wipe it off. It's going to be super clean. Be careful with the eyes because this can irritate your eye. And let me see if I can show you the back. So this is great. You don't have to be scrubbing using other materials that don't work because this one works wonders. Thank you for watching.